Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my bathroom. And that I stole that from Lana, Indiana. Although I haven't seen her make videos in quite a while, which is sad. I always really enjoyed Lana's videos. But this isn't about my bathroom or Lana. I am here to show you this new product from Milano. It's the Ultimate Comfort Grip Cap, and it incorporates a cap along with the Wig Grip. That's the picture there, and I believe it comes in black and then this blonde color. And here they say for use with wigs, scarves, and beanies to keep everything secure and comfortable. The reason I wanted to buy this, and I bought it, I wasn't sent this, was because I have such issues with itching. When I wear my wigs, I love my wigs, they're beautiful. They make me look so much better than this. This is my natural hair. And you can see why I wear fake hair, whether it's my Berlin top piece or a wig, because it's just flat and lackluster and icky. I was gonna do my roots today, touch them up, my outgrowth, but then I got in the shower and I forgot, so. Here is something that I have started doing. I use my dry shampoo even on the days that I have just shampooed my hair. I shower every other day during the winter. During the summer, it's pretty much every day because it's so hot and go swimming, whatever. But my skin is so dry that it's really difficult for me to shower every day, but I take care of the areas that need to be taken care of, no worries. And I use my Batiste dry shampoo. This is my favorite of the ones that I've tried. I really like the Batiste. And so I use that, and it just gives a little grip, and it just takes the silky shininess down a little bit of my natural hair. It gives me a little more volume. So, back to the grip cap. This is how, oh, well, I already showed you the box. And then the cap came on this clear plastic dome. It came on here. And then the hairnet was over the top of it, which I thought was really nice. So nice packaging. I asked Mike to order this off of Amazon. I was going to order it from Godiva's Secret Wigs because they are selling it for $30, but they were charging $10 for shipping and handling. And I found it on Amazon for $35, and because Mike has Prime, it was free shipping. Now the cap is a little stretchy. It's very soft. There's a little bit of stretch in it, not a lot, but enough so that if you have a lot of hair, it should fit just fine. They market it as something that you can wear to bed at night if you want to. For example, if you don't have hair, if you have very little hair, maybe you want something that's going to keep your head a little warm while you're sleeping, or if you just find it more comfortable to have something on your head, they market it for that. Now this is my original wig grip. Milano, same company, wig grip. This is the original. It's the band, and this one has the cap. The color's a little different in the band piece. This is a little darker, and this is lighter. So anyway, the reason I wanted to get it is because of the itchiness that I have. And I will either use hydrocortisone cream around my hairline, or I will use the Scalpicin Scalp Relief. This is 1% hydrocortisone also, but it's in a watery form. It looks like water when it comes out. And this is just a white cream that fades into your skin, and that helps me with the itchiness. Plus, I have to get back to wearing my wigs more because when I wear them more, it seems that my skin isn't quite as sensitive. And so, let's go ahead and put this on. It goes on easily. My hair is short enough where I really don't have to clip it up or put it in a ponytail. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on to the hairline, tuck in my little sideburns, and then put this on. It's easy to put on. It's stretchy, so you can get a really nice tight fit. So that's what it looks like. I'll just tuck my hair up a little bit. But like I said, it's so short, I don't really need to. And then here, I'm pulling on this. I'm pulling. This isn't going anywhere. I wouldn't pull too hard because I don't want to rip it. That's how hard you can pull. But anyway, so this is what it looks like on. Much like the regular wig grip, but it does have the soft little cap. And I can see that this might be a little warmer under your wig during the summertime, but again, it will also probably absorb some sweat. If your head sweats, might make it more comfortable. I don't know. So the first wig that I'm going to show wearing over this is my Noriko Sky in Sugarcane R. Has the regular wig, traditional wig cap, closed cap, and the R stands for rooted to give it a more natural look. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on. I put mine on like that. I know some people put it on starting at the back and pulling it forward, but that never worked for me. So Noriko Sky is full of permatease. It's a cute, short, little flippy style. Really cute. I love Sky. I might even go in here and just kind of trim some of that so it's not so heavy on that side. I have old shears from beauty school and some of the inexpensive shears I bought early on that I use on my wigs. I don't use my good hair cutting shears on my wigs because they are synthetic fiber, and even natural hair will dull the blades, but this will dull it even faster. So, okay, so here's where I have it. I'm starting to feel itchy already, but it's concentrated right here. It's not throughout the wig. It's very, this wig cap is very comfortable. I haven't done anything with Sky. I am considering turning it into a top piece, and by that just taking the very bottom section off because it's a little tight on me, and even though it's been worn several times, it still is tight, and I think it would work better as a top piece. Like I say, you know, it's long enough that it's going to cover my hair, but if I remove the elastic here and put clips in, I think it will be just more comfortable overall. So here's the side. You can see the wig grip right there. The ear tabs in my wig are going right over that, and this isn't going anywhere. I don't want to tug too hard again because I don't want to pull any hair out of my wigs. But so that is Sky, and this wig is not going anywhere. We could turn the blow dryer on full force on cold, of course not heat, or I could go out into the windy Las Vegas weather, and this baby's not going anywhere, and it's comfortable. I am getting itchy. This is where I get it. It just drives me nuts. Does anyone have a magical solution? And it's because of this stuff here that it just drives me nuts. My skin is so, I guess it's sensitive. I never thought I had sensitive skin, but this is my Berlin that I wear most of the time. I custom cut it, put it on my wig head and I cut it. And this is what the inside of the Berlin looks like. It comes down quite a bit. It's stretchy, so you can pull it down where you want it. And so this is what I wear, and then I pull my natural hair here and clip it up. So it looks very realistic, and I get so many compliments on my hair when I wear that. It's crazy. So the next one I'm going to try this on with is Reese, and I believe this is Sugarcane R. The tag was removed from it, but it's beautiful. Same cap construction. And I actually sewed some clips in this one. One in the front and one in the back. I'm not sure why I did that, but I guess it seemed like a good idea at the time. This is my wet brush. I love this. I have 2 of them. They are fabulous. They go through your wet hair easily. They don't hurt your hair. And they're really nice for wigs too. So this is Reese. There we go. You can see there. And there's the Wig Grip. Eureka wigs, especially these closed cap wigs, have a lot of permatease in them. So if you don't like a lot of volume or you're not used to it, you might not like it. But after living for so long with very thin and fine hair, I love having full hair, and I just think it's so pretty, and I feel so pretty when I have my wigs on. I don't feel like a little pinhead on this big fat body. So put my glasses on, easy peasy, no problem with the Wig GripCap or the wig. They go on. So that's what that looks like. And then I'm going to get to, oh, that rolled back a little bit. Oh, you guys, itch, 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 itch. My favorite wig that I can't wear. Or not for very long. And this is my Raquel Welch Embrace and Upstage in 1425. I love this wig. I spent a lot of money on it. Look at that. There's the cap, but this lace front kills me. I made the mistake of wearing this to the Grand Canyon a few years ago when we went. So I had it on for easily 12, 14, 15 hours. And my forehead was just, it was so chewed up here because of the lace front. This is really scratchy. And I don't know why they can't make a nice lace that isn't going to chew up your skin. But, oh, ouch. I love this wig and I want to wear it. I think it's so beautiful. Look at that, you guys. It is just beautiful and elegant and, oh, and painful. Raquel, oh, you wig manufacturers, fix it, please. So I don't wear lace front wigs because the pain. If you can, I'm gonna look in my little mirror here. The lace isn't lying real flat. If you can wear these, I am so envious. But so I wanted to show you here. I need my glasses, you guys. See how beautiful that is? It's just a beautiful hairline, beautiful part. You can part it anywhere because of the cap construction. And I don't think I have this on quite straight. Part of that is that, you know, like Patty always talks about pressing this into your skin. Oh, torture. But it is absolutely gorgeous. I think about selling it because I can't really wear it, but oh man, I just love it. I think now, well, I have a little tangle there. But I think now that I'm getting even older and heavier, that even this length I think is not the most flattering for me. Look at how beautiful. It looks like I have a beautiful head of hair. Well, I do, but it's not growing out of my head. sadly. I never had very good hair. It was okay. But in high school and college, the longest I was ever able to grow mine naturally was about to here. It was so fine. And I need my glasses again. Yeah, beautiful. And even with this type of a cap, you can wear this and it will be undetectable. So, whoops, wee. Do you guys watch Big Bang Theory? I just had the thought, fun with wigs, kind of like Sheldon and Amy's Fun with Flags. We love that show. What's that bit? Well, that's not so cute. But I guess if you cover it up, no one will see it. So anyway, so that is my demo and review of the new Milano Ultimate Comfort Wig Grip Cap. It's called GripCap. And as I said, I saw it on Godiva's Secret Wigs. It's on Amazon, so whatever works best for you. If you're interested, check it out. But I think it's a great invention. I'm really happy with it. I do have a question about this. If you saw my Sephora haul video, you saw that I got the original beauty blender. Original beauty blender. And it's wet. This is stained, guys. I just washed it. I used it. But, so I bought the original beauty blender. I love it, you guys. It's been out for a few years. I never tried it. I really like it. But my question is, when I wash it, I get all this bright pink dye that comes off with the makeup when I wash it. And I'm like, is that normal? Is it supposed to do that? I don't know. It doesn't really affect the use of it, but aren't you getting dye on your skin? Anyway, let me know below, or if you have any questions or comments, or if you have a magical solution for the wig itchiness and scratchiness of the lace front. Oh man, I love this wig. And I can wear it maybe for a couple of hours, so when we go out for dinner one night, I might wear it and just deal with the discomfort. But I hope you found this helpful, you guys. Leave any comments, questions below, any advice. I would love it. And thanks so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.